Okay, so we're in the middle of Indonesia right now, Sumatra, and down this little street, quiet little town. Everyone's really friendly. I've just seen the ball and cup game. It's different here, but it's the first time I've ever seen it in a country like this, to be honest with you. Probably will see me recording and tell me to stop, but we'll try. Let's see how it goes. There it is. The ball done. No photo.
Come on,
very strange to see that here because everyone's so honest and friendly. Very little town, just give it away. But yeah, great thing.